Hello dear students, welcome back to your maths class. In the previous video, we did the basic introduction of chapter 8. In today's video, I'll teach you a short trick to learn the trigonometric ratio table. A simple way to get the values of trigonometric table. The angles are written horizontally in increasing order: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the ratios are written vertically in order: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. First of all, we'll write the sin theta values, that is the values in the first horizontal row. As the angles are starting from 0 degree, write the numbers from 0 for each angle: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now because the last number is 4, so we divide all the numbers by 4. We get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. We can simplify them in the next step: 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now we have to take the square root of the values obtained: under root 0, under root 1 by 4, under root 1 by 2, under root 3 by 4, under root 1. Further simplifying, we get 0, under root 1 upon under root 4, under root 1 upon under root 2, under root 3 upon under root 4 and 1. This can be written as 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, under root 3 by 2 and 1. This is the value of our sine. For cos theta value, we just write the values of sine theta in the reverse order. That is, fifth value will become first and fourth value becomes second and so on. Now we know tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. So we just have to divide the values. Tan 0 equals to sine 0 upon cos 0. This gives us 0 upon 1, that is 0 only. Next, tan 30 is equals to sine 30 upon cos 30. So we'll be dividing these two values: 1 upon 2 divided by under root 3 by 2. On simplifying, we get the value as 1 upon root 3. For tan 45, sine 45 upon cos 45. So we'll be dividing 1 upon under root 2 by 1 upon under root 2. This gives us the value as 1. For 60 degree, tan 60 equals to sine 60 upon cos 60. So these two values will be divided: under root 3 by 2 upon 1 upon 2. On simplifying, we get the answer as under root 3. For 90 degree, tan 90 equals to sine 90 upon cos 90. So we have to divide 1 by 0, which is not defined because the denominator is 0. Cosec theta is just the reciprocal of sine theta. So cos 0 is the reciprocal value of sine 0. That is reciprocal of 0, which is not defined. In the same way, we get the remaining ratios of cosec theta. Cosec 30 equals to 2 by 1. Cosec 45 equals to under root 2. Cosec 60 equals to 2 by under root 3. And cosec 90 is 1. Now sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, not defined value comes alternatively n to n. Let us repeat once again the shortest way. For sine theta values, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide 4 and simplify. Now take the square root and simplify again to get sine theta values. 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon under root 2, under root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos theta value, write the sine theta values in the reverse order. For tan theta values, divide the corresponding sine theta values by the cos theta values. For cosec theta values, write the reciprocal of the corresponding sine theta values. Similarly, for sec theta values, write the reciprocal of corresponding cos theta values. And for cot theta values, write the reciprocal of corresponding tan theta values.